Hello, Arttemis Prime here. In today's video, I want to teach you how to get the most out of PrimeMyBody hemp oil for better sleep, more energy, more focus and balance all day long. Stay tuned. I've served over 18 years in holistic medicine. I've helped over 30,000 people heal, and I'm so excited to introduce PrimeMyBody hemp oil. This is your 10 milliliter bottle. This is your 50 milliliter bottle. And if you just got your sample bottle, do 4 to 5 pumps under the tongue, hold for 30 seconds, and then swallow. If you have your 50 ml bottle, a good daily dose is 2 pumps under the tongue, hold for 30 seconds, and then swallow. And why do we hold it? Is because it's liposomal nanoemulsified. You can literally absorb it through the buccal cavity in the mouth and start getting it into the brain and the circulatory system. That's how powerful this delivery system is. Now, this product is non-toxic. You could literally drink the whole bottle and it wouldn't hurt you. You just get really chill. It's safe for infants all the way up to the elderly. So if you have a newborn baby, you can take a little drop or two, rub it in the mouth, help the baby with sleep. If you want to support your kiddos and your children's health, you can use the small bottle, 2 to 3 pumps, in grape juice or apple juice, and then share that juice with your kids. They won't even taste it. It's a great way to support your children's focus and mental clarity and mental and emotional well-being, and also improve the sleep and the quality of the sleep of our family. That's right, hemp oil is for mothers, fathers, children, family. It's for everyone because we all have endocannabinoid system and cannabinoid receptors in our body. So for adults, 2 pumps twice a day or 2 pumps 3 or 4 times a day to get a little extra support and reduce occasional stress. And I also want to talk about pulsing on the product. So if you're coming into PrimeMyBody and you're fairly healthy, you're not dealing with a chronic health challenge, I recommend pulsing on the product. And I've been working with plant medicine for over 18 years. I've learned a lot from the ancient Chinese medicine and ancient Ayurveda. And you can take the hemp oil and you can do it 5 days on and 2 days off. 5 days on and 2 days off. And why is that beneficial? Is because this product is helping bring your body into a higher harmony and balance. And when you're supporting your body's natural endocannabinoid system for 5 days, it's bringing you into that new level of homeostasis. And then you go off of it and you coast for a little while, and the body gets used to that new level of balance, and you go on it again and off of it. And this starts to build even more resilience and more balance and overall well-being. So if you're not dealing with a chronic health challenge, enjoy pulsing on the product, because pulsing on it will be a nice way to support the therapeutic effect of the hemp oil. So you have your 10 ml bottle for sampling. Get into people's hands, share the hemp oil, share the health and the beauty and the flow and the peace and the neurological balance of hemp oil. And then get the large bottles for daily use and use this twice a day or more if you need it. My name is Arttemis. I'm going to be teaching you many more videos on PrimeMyBody products. Stay tuned for the next video. Medical disclaimer and legal stuff.